It was March 28th, 2018, the most memorable work session I've ever attended. And although it was spring, I equate it to Thanksgiving dinner. The family was seated around the table, we had a guest, and I was just hoping there wasn't going to be any drama. But in true Thanksgiving fashion, there was a little drama when one of our county co-workers shared with the group that a box came with a fossil when it was donated to the county in 1986. When asked where the box was, we learned it had been in the building the entire time, under the display that houses the first Triceratops skull found in Colorado. Fast forward to September 2020. Dr. Joe Sertich, curator of dinosaurs at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science, and our Thanksgiving guest, along with his colleagues, Natalie Toth, chief fossil preparator, and Salvador Bastian, fossil preparator, came to the Will County Administration Building to take measurements of the fossil, as they needed to build a crate to transport it to the museum for restoration and study. While they were here, we decided to pull the display case away from the wall and see what was in the mystery box. Or as we found out, boxes.
It's like Christmas. More boxes in there.
Where's my Christmas?
That hasn't been opened since 1985.
Oh. Or at least they moved it out here, which was in 2011. Oh, wow. That's a lot of bones. Look at this.
We have to raise the gate though and turn it.
There's so many moths.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that part of the dinner?
It's got teeth.
Look at this.
All the moths are.
Is it?
Rockets still
What is the gunnery?
Yeah. Do these fit together?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah, so we came up here today to look at this skull and see how we're going to get it back to the museum. And we'd heard that there was a single box of bones underneath in the cabinet here. When we pulled it away from the wall, it turned out to be 4 full boxes. And what's even more exciting is that it's major parts of the skull. So this is more of the frill, the shield behind the head. We found parts of the lower jaw. So if you see, this skull doesn't have its lower jaws with it. We think one of the boxes has one complete lower jaw. And then there's tons of parts of the body. So there's parts of the tail, parts of the hips, and a bunch of the ribs. So it's a really complete animal, much more complete than we expected.